Melissa, and today's video is going to be all about my sticker organization, how I do it, why I do it the way I do, and all that kind of stuff. So these are all my albums. I have 5 albums and one of these like little sticker book things. I have stuff from Butterfly Planner, The Planning Mess, and a lot from Sweet Quiet Design. So let's get into them. So the first category would be stickers, just in general, and I have 3 albums for that. I have this one from Butterfly Planner, which is also available without the saying. It is one of those little small ones, but I think it works great for your smaller stickers. So I just have things categorized by like groups. So like I have TV here, travel, coffee, and then I put any sticker that is of that relation in that little pouch. So grocery, dating, all that kind of fun stuff. And then in this one, I do the same thing, but it tends to house a little bit of the larger ones, like the Sweet Quiet Design ones, although I do sometimes cut the sticker sheets in half and put them in. So this just has all these stickers. And then I also, in the back of this one, because I had so much extra room, I did categories for winter, Christmas, fall, spring, summer, and then there's just some like miscellaneous boxes in there. So that's the first 2 ones. Then in this one, which is from, this is from Beautiful Mess Co. The Beautiful Mess, sorry. And then this one is from Sweet Quiet Design with one of my favorite pose. And this doesn't just house stickers. So let's start with the stickers and I'll explain what else. I don't have a ton of foil, but I do somehow have a growing collection. So I kind of just started putting like things together. So like these are full box covers. They're Christmas related or winter related. And then countdown stickers, days of the week, more Christmas. These are like headers. These are just basic ones. These are any time of the year covers. These are header covers, headers, miscellaneous, reading, and so forth. Then I also have in here die cuts and like the sticker sheets in the back of this planner. I kind of did them by like anytime, winter, spring, summer, and then I have a place for fall ones. And I did the same thing for, these are all of my cards, the journaling cards. So I have any time of the year, spring, summer. I also put my jumbo stickers in here from Sweet Quiet Design. So then my fall ones, Christmas, and then these are anytime also. Oh no, this was winter, because the one behind it is from Planting Roses and it's winter. So any time of the year is in this section. So that's the stickers. Kits are a little different. I have them in this Sweet Quiet Design one. I've been using it this way for a long time. So I have all my different sticker kits. I have not, oh, here's a daisy. Can you see her? Oh, yeah, now you can see her. She's saying hi. She keeps attacking my butt, so I'd rather have her up here than her attacking my butt. So all my stickers, I have some really old kits in here. I do not have them organized by like type yet, but there are a lot of them in here, and I still have quite a bit of room to expand. Now, I'm also have Daisy. Now, this is new for me. I got it like a week ago, and I'm so glad that Tasia came out with this because I was having the hardest time figuring out how I was going to organize my kits that are my subscription kits from her, because they are longer than the regular ones, and so they would stick out of the binder like this much, and I love putting them in albums because it protects them and you can see them. So she recently came out with these custom ones that she had done, and Daisy, you're just being trouble today, aren't you? You're just being trouble. So the way and you probably noticed it in the other sticker book, that I like to organize these is I like to put the full boxes because first, so that I know what kit it is. Again, these are not in any particular order. I've just been putting them in. So this is new. I love it. I can put the extra ones in here for next year because her kits are so full. I'm also love just using a random sticker like in my work planner. So yeah. And then last is this sticker album, again from Sweet Quiet Design. I have not yet gone through all my organization. Actually, I have one more place that I put stickers. Let me grab that. I have these little folders I completely forgot to grab. So anyways, like I was saying, this I actually use a lot of times when I am doing a plan with me. I will, if it's like a rewind plan with me, I will put all the stickers like that I'm going to put for Monday, Tuesday, I'll put them there. Or if as I'm planning, I'm like, oh no, I didn't want to put that sticker there, I want to put it somewhere else, but I'm not at that point, I'll just stick it in the sticker book here. So it's very helpful. I do plan on filling this, but that's a project for another day. In these little folders from Sweet Quiet Design, I have all of my samplers and like all my freebie sheets, and I really need to use them. So my goal is to get these in here. If you want me to see a video of me doing that, let me know in the comments down below. So that is how I organize my stickers. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!